Hi guys, welcome to Wayne's how-to guide of most early Holdens. Today I'm just going to do a very quick little video on how to take out your headlight switch, which is a question that gets asked a lot. So yeah, just bear with me, and yeah, I'll go through it and I'll get a light and stick it underneath the dash and show you what you need to do. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, now the best way to get into it is take out your vent switch. Now if you look very carefully on the side of the backing of the headlight switch, there's a little button just there. Now if you press that little button and it's going to be hard for me to do on my own, is basically what you do is you press that button in. Oh, just dropped it. And then you pull on your headlight switch. So what I'll do is I'll just get there. Let's see. Now just bear with me guys. I'll just be back in a tick. Now guys, I'm not too sure if you can see it, but when you get there, sorry, put your thumb on there. What you do is you grab your thumb on there and you basically gotta wiggle it around sometimes. Oh, it's not going to do it to me. Some are easy and some are hard to do. And today, I have to put mine back in to do this video, and now it doesn't want to come back out. Well, I don't know if you guys get the gist, but the shaft is supposed to come out. Okay guys, sorry about that. Kind of a real pain in the bum they are. What you got to do is you got to get it into a certain spot. Now, you basically click it so it's all the way on the out, and then when you firmly press it, it should slide out like that. So that means you can get there and be able to undo your nut to be able to take your plate off as well. On the back of these little plates there's two little nuts that holds them on. Now unfortunately I've broken the plastic on the back of mine, making this video for you. So what you've got to do is make sure you don't push too far back, if not plastic at the back will break. But you can get there, just like so. Be able to screw that back in so you don't lose your nut, and then the shaft will click back in. So yeah. Alright guys, that's your headlight switch, and yeah. Alright guys, sorry about the rigmarole of trying to get that out this time around. It's old, like the switch has become old, so the buttons become stuck, sticky and all that sort of stuff. Sometimes they don't work at all. So yeah, if there's any questions or anything like that, or you'd like me to try and do it again, or show you how to do it without being attached, and that, just leave a comment below. Alright guys, I'll end up doing another one maybe on the weekend, how to remove your clutch cable. That's if you've got one still in your car. It's not really too hard. You just basically got to get there and make sure you don't have it connected any longer. Alright, stay tuned, and yeah, leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Cheerio guys.